What's up, guys? Probably you saw already my other video where I show how to use Facebook in order to promote your affiliate links. Okay, so there is also one more trick what you can use in order to promote any link, and best it works with giveaway things like for example I have recorded video called Moneza review,
What's up, guys?
and here I'm promoting this card for every person who will join this mobile application and enter my code or simply use this affiliate link. I will get 25 euro, and 25 euro will receive person who will join this whole order card. And the most important that this card is free, so as a customer you do not need to do anything. Just download, register, verify your profile, receive this card to your mailbox, and you will be able to cash out these 25 euros. So win-win option, and such offers you can promote on Facebook. So what we can do now, I will get this link. So here's the link what I will promote, here's the code, and I will go now to Facebook, and in Facebook we can search people who are selling something on Facebook. This means that they are active. So I have found a group from London, England, and here I'm posting messages like this one. So guys selling card, and I'm sending message: hi, thanks for posting buy sell ad on our group. We provide new members with 25 euro or pounds bonus what you can spend on shopping or cash out in any ATM. If interested, let me know and I will send you invite. Very important, guys, do not send link instantly. Otherwise, if you send too many times this link to people, Facebook may think that you are a spammer. In this case, you are asking person, he is selling something and you are sending message to him. So maybe you are asking like do you deliver, or I'm interested in this item. So maybe you are a potential buyer and simply asking. If he will reply to your message, then you can send more information how to join this offer, and both of you will get bonus. So really simple, guys, and this is a simple trick what can help you to send many messages to potential customers. Here you can send in groups, or you can go to Facebook main page, and here is options like marketplace. So here it is, marketplace, and here you can search in any location like United Kingdom, USA, or your local country, and start sending messages. For example, I will look on this ad, and here I can send a message to seller. And if people are selling something on Facebook, it means they will probably reply to your message. So this is how it works, like, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and make sure to check my other videos and links what I will put in video description. Okay, guys, have a nice day. Bye.